Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to select objects with the same name in Blender. So for example, we have here a simple cube. To show you how it works, I will copy and paste this object. So I click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I click G to change position of this object. I will do it again, so I click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I press G from my keyboard and I change position of this object. Okay, so now we have here 3 objects. If you would like to select all of them, you need to make one simple action. Of course, it may be really helpful if you have more the same objects. For example, if you have 100 or 200 the same objects. So what you need to do now, you need to go to select, and here you have something like select pattern. We need to select this one option, and now we need to type before this sign name of this object. Here we have name, so it is cube. So I type here cube and then I press enter. After that, all objects with cube will be successfully selected here. So it is how you can change position of these objects. So it is really working. If I helped you to select all objects by name, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.